Hi guys, so I did a video a while back which was entitled "Don't Make the Same Mistake as Me," and briefly I'll just go over it a little bit. I'm sure you've probably all watched it. I got myself into a position with a customer and it was totally my fault. She was one of my first ever customers, and when you're new you just want to please people, and I wasn't sure on pricing, and yeah, I'll do things for a bit cheap for you, discount, blah blah blah. Learnt my lesson completely. I'm not like that with anyone else, but as I say, we kind of went down that track and I found it hard to reverse it back and what have you. If you haven't watched the video, I'll link that below, because it's probably worth you watching that one first and then come back to this one, because this one is basically telling you what I've done with that one. So I knew that I didn't want to keep her. I didn't like going there in the end, and it was a bit of a hassle. And my girlfriend was saying, well, look, you're running your own business, just, get rid of her. Sounded like she meant kill her off there, but just let her go, I think, is what she meant. And that's what I did. So I sent her a message. I just said, look, I made a bit of an excuse. I said I'm having to let go of some of my smaller gardens because I've got some commercial contract work and that which I don't. And she came back and said, I'll pay more. So I just, whatever she was going to pay, I didn't want to do the garden. And I said, look, sorry, just made me excuses again. Like I said, if it changes, I'll let you know. And she said, right, that's fine and all that. We left it on good terms and that. And I think a week later, I got another message of a similar sort of thing saying, look, would you mind doing my garden again? I'm willing to pay more. And I said, no, I've told you. It was a lie. Obviously, it was a bit of an excuse. It was a lie, but she didn't know that. But I just said, look, I can't do it anymore. I'm sorry. I'll let you know if things change. She's like, right, okay, no problem. And I think so we're getting, at this point, we were getting into the gardening season. So I let her know in decent time. I think it was a couple of months prior to the gardening season kicking off. It was maybe January, February time, just to give a chance to find a gardener. So not to land her in it last minute and that. And I think she messaged us early March maybe, and she was saying, look, so that garden I did was 25 quid a fortnight, and as I said on the video, it was a decent garden, it was easy, and I was only there about 40 minutes, and she said, look, I'll pay you 40 quid a fortnight. And when I read that, my ears kind of picked up a bit for a second, but I knew, as I say, whatever she was going to offer us, I wasn't going to go back. Because, so say I went back and accepted that 40 quid, and there'll be somebody out there who says money's money, you can't be too picky. But my argument for that would be, it's my business. If I'm not happy with the garden, there's plenty of other people out there. I mean, I'm getting messages daily, so if I'm not happy, I'm not going to do the garden. So say I did it for £40, and the dynamics would change. She in her mind, I was like her odd job man, keep him busy, and he'll do things for a discounted price type of thing. And if she's given us £40, there's a shift there, and she will, even subconsciously expect more of us if she's paying more money. Even if she says do the same job, I'll pay you 40 quid. It's an underlying kind of dynamic that I wouldn't want to get back into. So I've let her go anyway, and I haven't heard from her since. So that was probably early March time roughly. And I don't know if she's got a new gardener or anything. Obviously I haven't seen her. So yeah, I just thought I'd give you a bit of an update on that one. There's a few people asking us, and where we are, replaced her with I've got new regular customers this year again, continuing at kind of the same rate. I'm about 90% full for me regulars, me fortnightly ones that is, and I've got monthly ones as well, and I'm getting lots of one-off stuff. So lesson of the story really, if you're in a similar position, let them go and find a better customer. Again, I'll leave that one there. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.